What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Welcome to Auto 3 Garage. And on today, we're going to be looking at something crazy. As y'all seen by the thumbnail, crash scam. So apparently, these folks right here, these three people that was in this gray car, apparently cut off somebody, backed into them, pulled forward, and try to make it seem like the person that has the dash cam was the issue. Now, they end up finding out, well, the guy, you could tell by his facial expression, that, hey, they recorded, they got us. And it's so funny because I was talking about getting a dash cam before, and because I got into like a particular incident before a couple things happened, but I wasn't able to get it on camera. I remember one particular time I was on the interstate getting off the exit, and this old man, he had bumped behind me, but no sweat. I wasn't panicking or anything or upset because they didn't really do no damage behind. But I have been in situations, me personally, where I had a parallel park my Tahoe. If y'all subscribe to my channel, you already know I got like a turbo Tahoe. But anyway, I got a hitch on the backside, and when I went to parallel park in like the city area, I backed up, and mind you, I'm like halfway in the, well, I'm in the parking lot, but I still have like space, and for some reason my ball hitch had hit the back of somebody's Jeep, and it just punctured the plastic piece. And then some guy gonna come out the car like, you did it, you hit my car, you hit my car. I said, hey, I apologize, I'm sorry, but look where I'm parked at, I'm nowhere near you. It was my tow hitch that did it. But anyway, I was able to pop it in for him, and apparently he was still tripping, and kind of found out it wasn't his car, and the lady was fine with it. She wasn't upset or anything about it. It ain't like I did a runaway or anything before and all that. I learned my lesson before as a young teen. Like, just say something. If you hit somebody's car, man, just say something. You never know. Cameras are going to be everywhere. I remember this one particular time I was at a police department going to this like little academy thing, and apparently my Tahoe, I backed up. I hit somebody, well, I sideswiped somebody's truck just to smidge it, and I didn't say nothing about it. I was like a dummy. I was a fool. I mean, I was young and dumb during that time, but now, man, if something happened, I say something, and I make sure I have, integrity. I make sure, I be, trustworthy as possible and all that, because if somebody do something to my car, I want them to tell me, right? And also, it's so many things I can point out. It was some other factor that happened before. But anywho, I think dash cams are very important. But if y'all don't know, Teslas, they do have like, dash cams and all that. That's like built in, even on the side rear view mirrors and all that good stuff. So if anybody try to key the car, you're going to be automatically recorded. I did a video on a Tesla where people was keying people Teslas and all that, and they was caught on camera like red-handed. I think newer cars are starting to have dash cams and all that. But anyway, let's get in this video real quick, and let me know y'all thoughts down below. But I just wanted to give like a little backdrop on things. I feel like this is like very unnecessary and all that, and just doing it just for extra cash and all that, just to put the blame on somebody else is ridiculous. See, he got caught right there. And then she trying to act like the person with the camera.
But it is crazy. Like, he had one hand on the. What the? Oh my god!
What happened, babe?
Oh my god, what is he doing? Babe!
Babe, what happened?
Oh, shit. I don't know.
Babe.
I got into an accident.
Honda
I got into an accident. Oh my god. Oh my.
Now, I came across this video because my wife, she was on TikTok and all that. She showed me, and you know me dealing with cars and all that. I thought this was a cool topic. Well, not cool topic, but a topic to talk about and just to share and maybe make awareness and all that. It's just to be careful and all that out here, especially in today's time. But this is ridiculous, honestly. Like, you're gonna cut in front of the person, stop, and then you're gonna back up. Now, I don't understand why sometimes people will literally cut you off and then slow down. Like, you slowing down traffic, you slowing down everybody else, and oh my goodness, don't even get me started.
Where are you?
I'm on the Bell Parkway. This guy just reversed into me. What the hell is going on?
Reversed into you?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Now they trying to
fuck,
play
I'm
dumb.
shaking.
Babe.
Yeah.
Just stay.
Look at them. Look at them. My head. Oh man, I hit my head. Oh man, we're gonna get some money off these folks.
There. Oh my god.
Fuck, oh my god.
Where on the Bell Parkway?
Holy shit, you know after that turn?
Yeah.
Fuck. Oh my
Babe,
god.
it's okay.
Alright, hold on.
Just
Hold on, okay? Fuck. What happened? Hold on, babe. Oh, fuck.
And then look at him. They got a camera.
Wait.
Well, guys, that's honestly going to be pretty much it. Like I said, seeing this on TikTok. Well, my wife, she showed me. I seen it, and I just wanted to react to this video. But let me know y'all thoughts down below. Like I said, don't do no stuff like this, man. Try to be a defensive driver much as possible. She had good reaction time, honestly. So be a good defensive driver. Try to stay a few feet back away from people, because stuff like this could potentially happen, and just make sure you pay attention on it. I know we as folks get caught off guard most of the time with our phones, which we shouldn't, or maybe talking, eating, and all that. So just be mindful. There are people like that will hit your car and make it seem like you the problem. So I wonder if a dash cam is a good investment. I'm thinking about getting one, but like I said, it's so funny because I was talking about it weeks before, just having it just in case. Even though you have insurance and all that, but I feel like insurance companies nowadays are a scam. Well, shoot, it's times where I got left on the side of the road when my car had broke down. They're not able to come get me, and I'm in like a well-populated area and all that, and you telling me you can't get my car, and I'm paying all this. I think I had the premium or whatever, where you could get a tow assist and all that up to a certain amount of miles. Mind you, I was within the city. It's a lot, man. It's a lot. So just be safe out there. Anyway, that's gonna be it. Working on the 3 Garage, and I'm gonna do more videos like this. I'm gonna do Is It Worth It more videos, and I am working on my Porsche, and I am going to be doing some other things to my other cars. So I'm just doing these other videos. I just want to get more into the channel and stay active and all that. So see y'all. Subscribe, like the video. See y'all.